How you guys doing today? So it's about 8:30 in the morning. I am having breakfast, which is some cereal and salmon, cream cheese, and a bagel. And then I'm gonna get ready because we're a full day today. So we're gonna be going to a Masonic Hall Lodge exhibit thing. I don't remember my name right now. Then we're going rock climbing. And then we're going to Roosevelt Island. So I think that's what we're doing. But look at Shanice's hair. I did it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like this clothes. Oh wait, maybe I should just like it.
That's okay. You're allowed not to like it.
Look like a poodle.
Look like a poodle?
It's right here. So.
What I mean? As in, what does a poodle look like? Explain.
I feel like this stupid breast.
Okay, pick it out. Is that better?
Yes.
There we go. You saw black people stay, she's like, oh, I don't like it. She never comes, she don't like it before, but now that we record it, she don't like it. She didn't even bother to look at it, like, truly.
I can see it.
But I flat twisted her hair, you can see it on your phone.
When I was playing.
Oh. So I flat twisted her hair and had to fix it on a train because Shanice was late. Not me.
She wouldn't let me use the bathroom.
I couldn't use the bathroom. You believe I could literally not use her bathroom in her own house?
And she took forever to get into the shower. I should have showered before her.
You should have took 10 minutes to bathe.
But you took 20 minutes to go into the
You're so dramatic. So we are headed to
Masonic Hall NYC.
there we go. See, she participates sometimes when she's not busy being awkward or using her phone. Pays me no mind. Can I point out that she always cusses that I am always on my phone, but this is her my entire time, the entire time I've been here.
I'm trying to make sure we're going to the right place.
Okay, so we just came off the train. Riding across the street.
Yay!
God damn it. Oh, the second boy in Imgi.
You're in Yorkie.
No, I'm not. Alright, so we're right at the Masonic Lodge. I honestly don't know if we're allowed to like take photos inside, but if we can, then I'll bring you guys with me. Free and accepted Masons. Look what the sign says. You see that? This sign. Right there. Shani's gone, leave me. Woo. So we didn't run in vain, and I'm not out of breath in vain. And we get to use our cameras here so you guys can see. But I want to show you guys this. Do you see it? I got my third eye open. It's interesting to find out the history of this. Some people always talk about different stuff about Lodge and Mason things. So I want to know what like the real deal is, or what they tell us the deal is. Let's see. We had to pass through security. Through right here. Security and stuff. So our tour is gonna start soon. I may not vlog the entire thing because it's a 40-minute tour. So I'll show you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
How are you? Does everybody speak English?
See?
See?
See? Oh, look at the snake. Ooh, this one is I was gonna say this one's Egyptian. Look at the ceiling.
Okay, step all the way in. This is called the chapter room. And the group that meets here are the Royal Archmasons. There's also a women's group that meets here. That's the women's version of the Masons in the United States. They're called the Order of the Eastern Star.
Wow.
Okay? Women can't be Masons, except in Italy, but the lady Masons in Italy are not necessarily recognized by the other bodies. So in the United States, we have the Order of the Eastern Star.
So to be a Mason, you have to believe in God, not be a felony, and be a good person. So the theme, the idea of Masonry, of Freemason, Like the whole thing is to make good men better. That's what every tour room we've been in, the person says, all we do is make free men better, so we just make them into better people. So, nothing demonic yet. But the rooms are gorgeous. I don't think my camera is doing it justice, but I took photos. So we're in one of the rooms, and my camera just not showing the gorgeousness that is this place. But it's gorgeous. The whole building was built in the early 1900s. I think he said 1914. And the basic structures remain the same, but I had somebody do major remodeling in 86. And they added all the colors and the architecture and all that jazz. So the place is gorgeous. But women aren't allowed to be Masons. So like, they have like a female sorority that women can enter, but they're not recognized by other Mason groups as Masons. Women don't get no love ever anywhere. But in Italy, you can be. Women are recognized as actual Masons. Probably not if you're black. We just finished the Masonic Lodge tour. What do you think, Shanice? What do you think?
It's cool. They're definitely racist.
I think the tour was awesome, as in like the rooms were gorgeous, but do I know anything more about Masons and Masonry and Freemasons?
Yes, you do.
Not really.
Yes, you do.
It's up for they're so ambiguous. So like, so what do Freemasons do? Well, we do a lot of philanthropy work. Oh, cute dog! They're like, well, we do a lot of philanthropy work, but we're not a charity. But all the money goes to charity. But they're not a charity.
I bet they own those charities when they're taking the money.
I bet they do. Like research facilities, retirement homes, hospitals. That's where the money goes. But then you see, so you have to have 3. God damn it! I'm trying to vlog.
It's New York.
So to be a Mason, you need to believe in a deity or deity, whatever you want to say, a god. You have to believe in a god. Doesn't matter what god, as long as you believe in a god.
A higher being.
A higher being, yeah. You can't have a felony. And you just have to be an overall good person. The aim of Masonry is to make you into a better person.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what they tell us in the tour. What a better person is up to you, based on what you believe, based on what you want to be. So it's overall
Who the heck called me?
Thing is that you should achieve harmony within yourself, and then you'll be a better person. Yeah, it is. So we finished the Masonic Lodge and we're starving. It was supposed to be a 40-minute tour. We're there for 2 hours, so I was starving. We're at Miss Korea in Manhattan. We're getting Korean barbecue. I honestly don't know what any of these things are, but we ordered chicken and some noodles. So that's what we are. So this is the food. That's the chicken that we're gonna make. We're gonna put it on it. Well, you guys gonna come when Chinese come to it. We just finished eating and I am stuffed. Shanice stuffed. And we're just stuffed. The food was good. We got chicken, marinated chicken, and I got spicy kimchi noodles. It was nice. All the little things that came with the Korean barbecue were nice too. They added a lot of flavor and depth. It was a cultural experience. It was, and I struggled to use my chopsticks, but I used them for my entire meal. So kudos to me. Progress. Normally I'd be like, F this, I'm done. And just ask for a fork, but I'm a thug, so I thugged it out. Why are you looking at me like I'm a... Your nipples are telling me how many moves. Oh yeah. I'm not even gonna edit that out of the vlog. I'm gonna embarrass you. So we're at Roosevelt Island. Look at the view. Shanice, what bridge is this again? Queens Bridge. This is the Queens Bridge. We don't remember. This is Epcot. So this is the Queens Bridge. We don't really know what Roosevelt Island's for. But we're trying to find a smallpox hospital, which is like a abandoned hospital that was created back then. It was abandoned in the 1950s, I think. So we're trying to find it, but we're not very good map readers. So why do it look so pink? That's all natural, guys. Got them cherry lips. Sunshine. Shani's ear look good though. So this is a smallpox hospital. It's unstable, so we're not allowed to go in it. But this is it. It's kind of cool. I like how the trees are growing on it. It kind of adds like a nice little finish to it, and there's like some structural detailing that you can't really see from on this phone, but we like you can. But yeah, that's it. Wish I could go inside. I love unstable buildings. I don't know why. So this is the back of the smallpox hospital, and then this is the view up here. So pretty. Shanice is gonna do cartwheels down. Let's watch while I hold all the shit. God damn it. I have your glasses on. Woo! Tragic. That one was tragic. Wait, I haven't done a cartwheel in a long time. Okay.
Oh God, I'm like landing right into Capoeira. Whoops.
Also tragic. My turn.
I'm gonna do a good one.
Okay, go. Do a good one. Redeem yourself.
I'll do a good one.
Where are you?
Ta-da!
No, that was terrible. What do you mean?
They're wonderful. Gotta take. I have a crazy expensive jacket and she keeps throwing it on the floor.
I can't take people that like expensive things. So materialistic.
I wanted one nice thing in my life. She can't be nice.
And is that jacket? Bitch.
Yes. Not you.
Buy nice your thing.
Only the jacket nice to me.
Okay, I'm ready.
So go on now.
Am I in it?
Yes. It's terrible.
There's a lady in the way.
Go on now.
Didn't you
Ven aquí, quiero tomarte aquí con el castillo.
And you said mine was terrible?
You should have seen yours.
Ahí está bien, ahí. Déjame ver. Ven para acá.
I was trying to do the one where you just come down on both legs, but
That was terrible.
you should watch it back and see yours, and then you'll see how good mine was. Mine was amazing. No, you know it wasn't. So guys, guess who I ran into? Mr. Roosevelt himself. So this is who the island was named after, Franklin Roosevelt. He was born in 1988. I can't read. 82 to 1945. Looks like he was a handsome chap, don't you think? Like he could be bae. Hey bae. Mwah. So this is the statue of him. It looks like a floating head. I'm trying to get a good... Yeah, there we go. It looks like a floating head. So yeah, I ran into Mr. Roosevelt. Nice to meet you. No, I'm sorry, you can't get my number. Stop. Oi! Bro, here smells really bad.
I'm going this way.
Like so fishy. We took a bus all the way over to the lighthouse to see that this is it. Thought it was gonna be like 10 million feet tall and just look awesome, but this is it. That's all it is. So I'm gonna go closer. Shanice is already not pleased. She's so disappointed. She's just like, F it, I'm just gonna sit here, do what you wanna do. She's so over it. The lighthouse is so disappointing, but catch the view though. Focus, damn it. It's pretty awesome, and people live on this island. There's like schools and everything. Ooh, my battery won't change. God damn it. But this is the lighthouse. That's it. Nothing else to see. So I'm gonna head back to Shanice now. We're supposed to be going rock climbing. So I'm gonna change the battery back on this camera and I show you guys the rock climbing place that we're going. It's gonna be in Brooklyn, so we're in Manhattan, or we're in between Manhattan and Queens. That's where this island is located, like smacked in the middle. There's a subway station here, so we're just gonna take the subway from here and go straight to what's it called? Rock climbing. And then I'll show you guys rock climbing activities. The two, and I did them pretty easily, so my confidence is up. So this one was pretty hard because they're small and I don't have nails, and my nails are kind of hard to make them grip. So let's see if I can do it. Chances are I can't, but let's try. Okay, I can't do it. I made a fight.
Oh, I remember you saying you thought you might not do that.
You doing the green one? Hey.
What is this?
I don't know. The grips are weird.
Yeah.
I believe in you. Sometimes when you're going up, it feels scary, right? Or it's just me? Am I the only coward? Come on!
I don't know what these are. What is this? No. Those are like finger holes. That's for your fingers. That's like...
How does one crawl with fingers?
No, stop, no.
So the ones we're talking, they're the grips. They're like tiny holes, so
What is that?
it's hard for you to hold on to.
Inside this. No.
Alright. Are we done?
Yeah, my fingers hurt.
Pretty much.
My wrist hurts. My forearms hurts.
Oh boy.
My soul hurts.
This was fun though.
Super fun.
Super glad we didn't pay for the expensive one.